how I took a PLR product that I paid $7.65 for and turned it into almost 90 bucks. Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's video, we're talking about how to make money on Clickbank with your own product. And I'm going to show you how I took a PLR product that I paid $7.65 for and turned it into almost 90 bucks. All right, so let's get into it. So you can see here in the 30minutemarketing.net exclusive members only Facebook group, which there's a link to join, and you just use the password that's in there. The password is YouTube because you're coming from YouTube, and I can get you right in there as long as you follow those rules. So what I do here is I created some units, and basically along my journey, I'm sharing with you inside of the Facebook group, here on the YouTube channel, and 30minutemarketing.net in general. As I'm learning marketing, I'm teaching you and showing you what I learn, so you can participate in the journey if you so choose. All right, so back to the units. Buy button challenge, December 2018. You can see right here, I've actually gone through the introduction for the buy button challenge. I picked a PLR product in a niche. I rebranded a product. I created the sales page. I posted a product for sale on Clickbank. I set up the autoresponder and welcome emails. And then I provide a link here to Clickbank Superstars training, which I'll go ahead and post here in a card above me or right next to me, depending on where the video is, when you're watching it, where I am in the video. And of course, there'll be a link in the description. So getting started, those are the steps, as you can see, that I went through. So now let me show you the product so you can see inside of it, and then I'll actually show you inside my Clickbank account. So here it is. This is the product on Clickbank. It's called Focus. And as you can see right here, it has an average sale, and currently that's the gravity right there. So if you were to go to Clickbank Marketplace and you were to look up a product called Focus, you'll be able to find Focus, how to develop laser focus and achieve success. And then that'll take you over to the sales page here. And as you can see, Clickbank is trusted and secure sales page. And this is the sales page that I picked up. And of course, again, this is all in the Facebook group where I did this as training inside the group, inside that unit, as I call the buy button challenge. So the point of this challenge was to just be able to create a product of your own and put a buy button up there, because the more buy buttons that you have on the internet, obviously the more money you will make. Now, so as you can see, here's the product, and you scroll down and you can see I created a nice little image shot of the product, which it's a digital product, as it says here. Picture shown for illustration purposes only. Product is a digital download or PDF. Things like this that you may not be aware of, that you're going to need to learn, again, you can learn in Clickbank Superstars, and the link is in the description. It's also in the cards. So that's the product. Now this was the original product that I actually purchased, the PLR. I purchased this when it was launched for $7.65, that you can see right here, Saturday the 4th of August 2018. I purchased that for $7.65. It's going to be a little more expensive now. I believe it's $47. But you scroll down here, yeah, it's $47 currently. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description. You could take a look at that PLR. Might be something you can use if you're in the self-development niche. All right, so that's pretty much it. Oh, almost forgot. Here is the my actual Clickbank account, and as you can see, the current sales $89.93 between June and July. Now, here's the thing. It did take a little bit of time from the time that I actually went through the buy button challenge, and one thing that I want to focus on here, because 30minutemarketing.net is all about, it's not about faster, it's about focus, right? So the focus here was to go through the steps and to learn the steps and to understand what the steps are. So at 30 Minute Marketing, talk a lot about affiliate marketing. I believe that is the best way for you to start your journey when you get into marketing information products or digital products online. But there is a lot to be learned from creating your own products once you go and you pick a niche, then you look at other people's products, you see how they're positioning them to sell, meaning what problem are they solving for what target market, for what set of people, and then you follow that and you reverse engineer it. Then you have the capability to go and say, okay, now I understand how they set up their product. Let me create my own product. Because it's really a two-phase approach. Some people will tell you create your own product. It's the best way to start. Some people will tell you affiliate marketing, the best way to start. I'm in the start with affiliate marketing camp because, well, that's where I started, and that's my process, and that's been my journey, and that's been the journey that I share with you. So again, back to this, $7.65 for a piece of PLR that I totally took, stripped down, rebranded, flipped it, made it work for my niche inside of undeniablevision.com, which I put on the marketplace. And again, all those steps here in the Facebook group. And that right there is everything that you need to know to turn a $7.65 product into, I said almost $90, $89.93. All right, so there you have it. If you're interested in getting your own product up on Clickbank, of course, join the Facebook group. There'll also be a card, actually not a card, a video here that you can click on to check out exactly how to get access to the training that will show you even more than I show you in the Facebook group, but I highly recommend you start in a Facebook group. Of course, there'll be a little timer here with 30 minutes on it. Go ahead, click on that timer, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, are you ready to create your own product, or are you going to just keep doing affiliate marketing for a little bit longer until you get comfortable with it? All right, let me know. See you in the Facebook group, and that's it for this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.